guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today we are going to be talking about when are the GST payments due. Now, the GST payment is due on the same day the filing is also due. So there is no one date throughout the year that GST payments are due, unlike, personal income taxes. So the payments are due depending on your GST schedule. So if you're a monthly remitter, quarterly remitter, annual remitter, all of these will have different due dates. And for example, let's just do quarterly. It says here 1 month after the end of the reporting period. So if you're thinking, oh, okay, my everyone on quarterly would be January to March and then April to June, so it would be, let's say, January to March Q1, right? It's going to be due April 30th. Generally, yes, those are the due dates. However, that doesn't mean it's for everyone. I have clients that are on a quarterly schedule, but their reporting period is different. So instead of January to March, they have Feb to April. Something like that. So it doesn't mean that just because you're on quarterly, you're automatically like on the normal quote unquote quarterly schedule. You can have different reporting periods. Same thing with those who have an annual schedule. Just because you're on an annual schedule doesn't mean you're automatically January to December. It depends on the schedule that you get from the CRA. So for example, there are people whose year ends end on June 30th, which is also the same reporting period for their HST returns. So you could have your HST return due around September if your reporting period is ending in June. So the best way to actually find out, when do you actually have to file and pay because they're due on the same day is actually here. So log in to your CRA My Business account. Okay, go to the HST portion, and then once you're there, you can see it says View Expected and Filed Returns. Click that, and it should take you to a screen like this, and then you see the reporting period as well as the due date. So the best thing to do is always log in to your CRA My Business account to double check your due dates with the CRA. So you can't get this wrong because this is officially in your CRA My Business account. So if you guys have any other questions, please let me know. Once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.